Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to take the line essay on Mother Nature. The line essay on Mother Nature. Before I start, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any suggestions or recommendations, you can write them in the comments below. So, let's start. Point number 1 is Mother Nature is the natural world. Is the natural world and its living organisms and all its living organisms, including plants, animals and humans. Mother Nature is the natural world and all its living organisms, including plants, animals, and humans. Point number 2. It is responsible for creating and sustaining life. On Earth. Through processes like photosynthesis, pollination, and decomposition. It is responsible for creating and sustaining life on Earth through processes like photosynthesis, pollination, and decomposition. Point number 3. Mother Nature provides us with essential resources such as clean air, water, food, and shelter. Mother Nature provides us with essential resources such as clean air, water, food, and shelter. Point number 4. It also offers us beauty and inspiration. Beauty and inspiration through natural phenomena, through natural phenomena like rainbows, 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 and sunsets. It also offers us beauty and inspiration through natural phenomena like rainbows and sunsets. Point number 5. Mother Nature can be both nurturing and destructive. Can be both nurturing and destructive. With natural disasters, like hurricanes, like hurricanes, wildfires, and earthquakes. Mother Nature can be both nurturing and destructive, with natural disasters like hurricanes, wildfires, and earthquakes. Point number 6. It operates in cycles and patterns. In cycles and patterns. Such as the changing seasons, and the water cycle. It operates in cycles and patterns, such as the changing seasons and the water cycle. Point number 7. Mother Nature is interconnected. Is interconnected and interdependent. And interdependent with every organisms. Playing a role in the ecosystem. Playing a role in the ecosystem. Mother Nature is interconnected and interdependent, with every organism playing a role in the ecosystem. Point number 8. It is resilient and adaptive. It is resilient and adaptive. Able to recover. Able to recover from disturbances. from disturbances and adapt to changing conditions. And adapt to changing conditions. It is resilient and adaptive, able to recover from disturbances and adapt to changing conditions. Point number 9. Mother Nature reminds us of our place in the world. Reminds us of our place in the world. And the importance of living in harmony, with the environment. Mother Nature reminds us of our place in the world and the importance of living in harmony with the environment. Point number 10. Ultimately, we must respect and protect. We must respect and protect. We must respect and protect Mother Nature to ensure the well-being of future generations. And the health of the planet. Ultimately, we must respect and protect Mother Nature to ensure the well-being of future generations and the health of the planet. So this was today's essay on Mother Nature. See you next time. Goodbye.